Getting around requires energy. Whether it be gasoline, electricity, or our own muscle power, energy is required to transport ourselves between point A and point B. In large cities like Montreal, we have many options to choose from when deciding how we want to get around, but none of them provide the same benefit to both human and environmental health than active transportation, making it the best transportation option from the standpoint of environmental sustainability. Cars are constantly pumping out harmful air pollutants at the local level, such as particulate matter 2.5, black carbon, and nitrogen oxides, and it's cyclists, pedestrians, local residents, or even other drivers who are breathing them in. Cars also disrupt the local environment with noise and vibrations, which harm both the health and well-being of people living along major roads. At the global scale, transportation accounts for 1/4 of global carbon dioxide emissions, making it one of the largest contributors to climate change. For public transportation, the impact from non-renewable energy to power buses, trams, and metro systems is significantly reduced per rider due to economies of scale. So the more people taking a single bus or metro ride, the better. These benefits are one of the main things discussed during the global climate crisis. However, there's an even more nefarious source of pollution that lurks behind every privately owned vehicle, be it gas or electric. The pollution caused by driving a car is called the tailpipe or operational emissions. However, any car also produces emissions during manufacturing and its end of life or disposal, in addition to other less commonly thought of operational emissions, such as tire disposal. Depending on the range and size of the electric vehicle, the manufacturing emissions range from 15 to 68% higher than for a similar gasoline vehicle. The total pollution from the manufacturing, operation, and disposal of a vehicle is called the life cycle emissions. These life cycle emissions are compounded by the fact that the average private car sits parked for 95% of its life. Public transportation greatly reduces the per-user life cycle emissions of a vehicle, and active transportation sidesteps the negative impacts of fossil fuel-powered transportation and manufacturing and offers a clean solution that benefits the user's health. To support wider uptake of active transportation, municipal governments can enact measures that disincentivize the use of unsustainable transportation modes while supporting active transportation, including creating far-reaching, robust, and frequent public transit networks, constructing and maintaining a safe and widespread network of bicycle paths, ensuring that transit facilities are universally accessible, raising gas taxes, and implementing congestion pricing. Victoria, British Columbia has one of the highest walk and cycling mode shares of any city in Canada at 15.2%. If we could get the rest of Canada to that same level, a 7.4% increase, the economic benefit from pollution reduction, healthcare savings, and other quantifiable benefits would be at least $9.5 billion. So why wouldn't we get people out of their cars?